Hey friends, from time to time we all get a little anxious. It's only natural. Some of us more than others. I found that there are a few things that I do that ease my anxious mind. Mow the lawn, sharpen a knife, exercise, chop some wood, fix or repair something. And that's what I'd like to share with you today. This here is my Corona hand pruner. I purchased this 25 years ago at Ace Hardware in Missoula, Montana. It's worn out, but I just can't imagine throwing it away. I'll use whatever tools I have to try and polish this thing up. I'm going to take a single cut mill bastard file to it. That's really what it's called. With all these tools, we're starting to get somewhere. Around a decade ago, the original handles started to flake away, so I stripped the old handles off and I dipped them in PlastiDip. I'd do it again, but I don't have any right now. So I'm going to cut off the old PlastiDip with my scalpel knife. The hardware is high quality and it will sharpen up nice. I'll certainly be able to resharpen the pruner. Alright, I mentioned that I didn't have any more PlastiDip. What I did have was some leather, and I have got this extra large shrink wrap. So I thought I'd wrap up the handle to give it a little bit of cushion, and then shrink wrap over that to seal and contain the handle. It doesn't look beautiful, but it feels nice, and it's completely reversible. So I mentioned sometimes I feel a little anxious. I'm sure we all do. But fixing something up makes me feel a little bit more relaxed. And I hope going on this journey with me did the same for you. Thanks for tuning into my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.